This apartment is everything that I'm looking for.
Thank you. Is there any other information that you need?
Could you tell me a little about safety features?
Yes, we have thought of safety. What specifically are you interested in?
Are your fire alarms up to code?
In case of a fire, we have a whole building sprinkler system. In addition, every apartment has its own alarm system.
Do you have fire extinguishers available?
Yes, there are fire extinguishers outside your door. You might want to buy a personal one for your kitchen.
Are the escape routes clearly posted somewhere?
There are fire exit signs in the hallway. Oh, it is very nice meeting you.
I'm happy to meet you also.
When did you get moved in?
Just this past weekend.
I didn't even know the house got sold.
I absolutely love this house, so I had to buy it.
I understand, because the house is extraordinary.
How many years have you been living in your house?
I've been living here for over 20 years.
20 years? That is a very long time.
I hope that we remain neighbors for a while longer.
I could never move out of this house.
Who are the beautiful flowers from?
They're from my boyfriend.
That's so sweet. Those are long-stemmed roses.
I know. They're beautiful.
How many are there?
I counted 30.
Wow, that must have been expensive.
I need to find a vase. I don't want them to die.
Is there one in the kitchen?
I found one, but it's too small.
Yeah, that bouquet is huge. You're a lucky woman. I wish my boyfriend would send me flowers. Is it a special occasion?
No, not really.
Do you know why he sent them?
I have an idea.
Why do you think he sent them?
Well, he forgot my birthday yesterday.
Oh, now I understand.
What are the rules about where I should park?
Your assigned space is in the back where I marked it on the map.
Can I park anywhere else in the parking lot?
There are a few spots back there for visitors. They are unassigned.
Where can my guests park if all of those spots are gone?
You can park on the street, but you can get ticketed for failing to follow the rules.
How will I know what the rules are?
Just pay attention to street cleaning days and limits on the hours you can park out there.
Are parking citations costly?
Yes, parking tickets can be extremely expensive.
Hello, I'm calling about the apartment you advertised.
Yes. What kind of apartment are you interested in?
I'm interested in a one-bedroom. Do you have any available?
Yes, I have one. When do you need it?
Sometime around next week.
Well, it's actually a one-bedroom apartment.
May I come over tomorrow to take a look?
Sure. What time would you like to come?
How about 10 a.m.?
Good. May I have your name, please?
My name is Blanca.
Thanks for calling, Blanca. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hello, how can I help you?
I bought a laptop last week and I'm not happy with it.
What is wrong with it?
It is very slow.
We can definitely help you with that problem. Can you bring it to the store today?
Yes. Can I bring it after work around 6 p.m.?
Absolutely. I will try and find out what the problem is.
Thank you. This is great after-sales service.
We think supporting our customers after the purchase is also very important.
I will definitely be back for your other products.
How are you doing?
Everything's fine with me.
What can I do for you today?
Is it possible for me to view the apartment today?
Unfortunately, you will not be able to view it today.
Why can't I view it today?
You'll need to make an appointment to view the apartment.
I understand. May I make an appointment then?
How does this Friday sound?
Friday at 6 p.m. would be perfect.
That will be fine.
Thanks for your help.
This apartment is wonderful.
I'm glad that you like it.
How much would I have to pay for rent?
The rent is $10.50 each month.
That's way too much money.
It isn't too much.
How about if I pay $850?
I can't take that.
I can't go any higher than $850.
I honestly don't know what else to tell you.
You can't go any lower than that?
If you can't afford $10.50, then we have no deal.
Do you like the apartment?
I absolutely love the apartment.
Everything is okay?
I do have one problem with the apartment.
What's the problem?
I don't like all those stains in the carpet.
We will have the carpet cleaned before you move into the apartment.
I did not know that.
I assure you that we will. And if there are any more problems, feel free to tell me.
That was the only thing that I saw wrong with the apartment.
I'm glad to know that you think the apartment is so nice.
It's absolutely incredible. I'll take it.
When you need an apartment, where do you look for one?
Our school has a link on its website for apartments.
Can I share an apartment with someone?
Some of the ads in the paper are from people looking for roommates.
Are apartments expensive in this city?
Do you need a single apartment or is this for 2 people?
I want a 2-bedroom apartment.
You can get that type of apartment for around $1,500 a month.
Would you have time to go look at apartments with me?
I love apartment hunting. I'll be happy to go with you.
I'm glad you could come. Come in and have a look at our new house.
Congratulations on your move.
What is the layout of this house like?
Your new house is certainly out of the ordinary.
This is a new house with a huge garden out back in a very quiet area of London.
That's terrific. I am jealous of you. My boyfriend can't afford a new house, and no more can I.
You will have your own in the future. Do come to our house whenever it's convenient for you. The garden will help to take you out of yourself.
I hope your new dwelling will bring you and yours lots of fortune and good health.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm calling about your ad.
Oh, which ad are you calling about?
The ad for a new roommate.
Are you interested in being my new roommate?
Yes, I'm interested.
I would love to meet you, if that's at all possible.
That's fine. Where would you like to meet?
I would like you to meet me at Starbucks at 5:30.
I can meet you then.
We'll talk about the roommate situation then.
Thank you very much.
See you later. I was wondering about the apartment.
I'd be happy to help.
Could you give me details about the apartment?
What is it that you would like to know?
Actually, it's the floor plan that I am inquiring about.
If you would like to, you can see it for yourself.
I am very busy and don't know when I can view the apartment.
If you would like, you can view it online.
I can do that?
If you would like the website, I can give it to you.
That would be more convenient than having to go all the way down there.
Convenience is the reason that we made the website.
I think I may rent this apartment from you.
That would be wonderful.
Can you tell me how much I would have to pay for rent?
The rent is $10.50 every month.
That's way too much.
What is good for you?
I can afford about $800 a month for rent.
That's not high enough.
How much more are you thinking?
I can let it go at $900 a month.
That's almost perfect.
I can live with that too.
Is dinner ready? Yes, come and get it. What's good tonight? Do you need some help? Today we're having Hamburg steak. Wow, chicken noodle clam chowder soup. It's really delicious. Spread a cloth over the table. Strain the fat off before you serve the soup. I'll be right there. Don't spill it. Help me set the table, will you? It's all ready. Fetch your father in for the dinner. He has to make a telephone call first and let us go ahead. Okay, let's eat.
What's going on?
Things are fine with me. What's going on with you?
Would you help me?
Help me with what?
You do know I'm getting ready to move, right?
I remember you telling me.
Do you mind helping me move in?
I can help you with that.
Is this Saturday okay for you?
I'm free this Saturday.
Can you come help me at 10?
That's perfect. I will see you on Saturday.
Oh, goody.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
What can I help you with?
Can I ask you a few questions about the apartment?
Ask whatever you'd like.
I want to know if the location of the apartment is nice.
I honestly believe that you will love the location.
What kinds of places are around the apartment?
Surrounding the apartment are great places to eat and stores to shop at.
Oh, really?
I'm sure that the location will be to your liking.
I hope that you're right.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Did you need us to move something for you?
That's exactly what I'm calling about.
What exactly do you need moved?
All my furniture needs to be moved.
Where will we be moving your furniture from?
I need it moved from my apartment.
Where would you like us to move the furniture to?
I need the furniture moved to my new house.
All I need is a little more information, and we'll take care of the rest.
Sounds great. I'm glad you could help me. I appreciate all your help with this move.
It's the least I could do. Tell me where to put your furniture.
That sofa should go in the living room.
Was there a certain place you wanted the sofa?
I think it would look best up against that wall.
What should I do with this table?
I want that table in the dining room.
Should I just put it down anywhere?
I want it in the center of the room.
What do you think? How does it look in here so far?
I love the way things are looking.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Hey, what shall we do at the weekend?
I've no idea about that.
What about go skiing?
Last Saturday, my colleague went skiing at Holmenkollen, located in Oslo. This is the most famous ski jump in Norway, which is also the biggest in the world.
Fantastic. How was that?
Really good. They strongly recommend that we should try it sometime.
This weekend I'd like to go skiing there.
But I'd like to stay at home and keep my grandmother company.
I'll go and talk about it to her. Maybe she likes to go with us together.
A family trip sounds very good.
I don't know what classes to take this semester. I can't decide what I want to do with my life. Have you thought about it, Louisa?
A little bit. My history professor says I should think about a career in politics. But I don't think I'd make a good politician.
Why not?
Oh, you know me. I'm not good at working with other people. I'm too moody, and politicians have to work with people all the time.
That's true. So what do you think you want to do?
Well, honestly, I think I'd make a good architect.
Oh, you would. You're so creative.
And I love drawing and, I don't know, making things. Plus, then I'd get to work alone a lot.
Good afternoon, sir. Please sit here.
A haircut and a shave, please.
How would you like your haircut, sir?
Short on both sides, not so much off at the back.
Okay. Do you want me to trim your beard?
Yes, please.
Now have a look, please. Is it all right?
Well, I would like my haircut shorter on the temples.
Do you want conditioner?
No, thanks. But I'd like a facial massage.
Am I speaking with someone from the water company?
Yes. Can I assist you with something?
I certainly hope so.
What's the problem?
I will be moving into a new house in a few days.
What exactly do you need my help with?
I'll need you to turn the water on in my house.
What day are you moving in?
I'm moving in this Saturday.
We can help you with that.
Do I need to give you any information?
You need to give me your full name, social, and address of your new house.
I have a few questions for you.
What are your questions about?
They're questions about the neighborhood.
What are your questions?
If you don't mind, would you tell me something about the neighborhood?
I think the neighborhood could be better.
What problems does the neighborhood have?
A lot of the streets are rather unclean.
What else is wrong with it?
Nothing else that I can think of.
Maybe in time they will clean up the streets.
Maybe they will.
Taxi!
Get on, please. Where do you want to go?
Please hurry. I'm late. I need to be at the railway station in 20 minutes.
All right, miss. Take it easy.
How exactly do you figure out the fare?
According to the kilometer rate, the first 3 kilometers are $10 and every kilometer extra costs you $2.
Oh, I see.
Here we are, miss.
Thank you. How much do I owe you?
You owe me $28.
That's $30. Keep the change.
Thank you.
Have you met Raj, the student from India?
No, I haven't.
Well, he seems really nice, but there's one thing I noticed. He moves his head from side to side when you talk to him. You know, like this.
Maybe it means he doesn't understand you.
No, I don't think so.
Or it could mean he doesn't agree with you.
Actually, people from India sometimes move their heads from side to side when they agree with you.
Oh, so that's what it means.
Can we talk?
What about?
I'm not too clear on some things about my lease.
Is there a problem?
How many years is my lease for?
In 3 years, your lease will be up.
Can I move out before those 3 years?
If you do, I will keep your deductible.
Why would you keep it?
I would keep it because you would be breaking our contract.
I get it now.
I hope that I cleared things up for you.
Emergency assistance. May I help you?
I've just been robbed. Can you help me?
Yes. Are you injured, miss?
No, I'm just scared.
Stay calm, miss. Can you tell me your name and where you are?
My name is Emily Davis. I'm calling from Motel 23 on Pine Street.
Please stay there. Our officers will meet you in less than 3 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Are you still looking for an apartment?
Who said I was?
One of our friends let me know.
Why'd you want to know?
I found an apartment for lease.
So what?
I wanted to know if you would sublease the apartment with me.
That would be great.
That's great, because this way we can go halves on the rent.
What's rent?
It's $1,000 a month, but it'll only cost us $500 a month each.
I like the sound of that. Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thank you.
How can I help you?
I would really like to find an apartment for rent.
That shouldn't be a problem.
That would be great.
Tell me what kind of apartment that you are looking for.
I really need a 2-bedroom.
Anything else?
That's all I really need.
I will try to find something for you, and then I'll give you a call in a couple of days.
That would be fabulous.
Do you want to join us for drinks after work?
No, I can't.
It's Friday night.
I already have plans.
We just got done with a big project. You should have some fun.
I know. Maybe next weekend.
Okay, you're going to miss a great time.
I'm going to have a great time tonight, too.
What are you doing?
I'm having dinner with our boss.
Did you see my car keys?
They're on top of the TV.
You're right. Thanks.
Where are you going?
To the supermarket.
Again?
Yes, we eat a lot.
Do you want me to go with you?
Sure, if you can.
Good. The packages will be heavy.
There is a new health store right up the road. Maybe since you guys eat a lot, you should try and eat more healthily.
Maybe you're right. We have all put on a little weight.
Did Catherine have her baby?
Yes, she's on maternity leave right now.
How long will she be gone?
3 months.
That's all? That's so short.
I know. She's sad about it.
Is it paid maternity leave?
Yes.
That's good.
Catherine wants to take an extra month of maternity leave. I am so angry.
Why? What happened?
Someone keeps leaving their dog's poop on my lawn.
That is so rude. What are you going to do?
I am going to video record my lawn and find out who the person is.
Good idea. Then you can bag it up and deliver it to their house.
Do you like my new coat?
It looks terrific.
I'm glad you like it.
How much was it?
$80.
That's a good price.
Yeah, it was on sale.
Where did you get it?
At Sears.
I'd like to shop there too. They always have really good sales.
Maybe you should go there today. They have a sale on shirts if you're interested.
Good idea. I need some.
I think the owner is going to file for bankruptcy.
How do you know?
He's been talking to a bankruptcy lawyer.
What should we do?
We need to start looking for another job.
Maybe he's just getting some advice.
I'm not taking any chances.